Didn't realize we were filming today. I brought my fuzz thing in.
Hey, you got feathers on you?
Do I have feathers?
Yeah. It's been a good log year.
Yes.
But
time to retire the log.
We're gonna move beyond the log.
And a lot of people are like, don't be done with the log. This is it. Finally wrapped up our third video. We're done. If you're not up to speed, Daily Crafton from Levenot and 18th Ward Brewing stumbled across a log that he began brewing with. So he kindly sent us the log to do some brewing and playing around with. If you haven't checked out any of those videos, we have a full playlist on the log beer extravaganza. It's been months since we brewed them, so we're gonna see which one had aged the best, or if any of them aged well at all, or if any of them are even still good. But first, let's take a look back at the good times we had with the log in 2019.
All right, so log beers. Number one. This is the one. This is the OG gangster log beer, the one we brewed the beginning of this year.
January 30th.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Smells. This one definitely has a like a kind of a rubbery smell.
A little bit. I'm getting white grape. A little bit.
Nah, like yeah, I get it. Yeah, it's kind of, it has like a white wine even smell.
Yeah, it really does. But it does have some of those kind of like rubbery phenol kind of.
Mm-hmm. I'm imagining this is what you drink, you know, after you left the factory.
Like an Akron in the 20s.
Yeah,
working at Goodyear.
Exactly. Yeah. If you're making some dank ass homebrew, walking out of the rubber plant, going home to drink about a gallon of this.
I like this.
Be a decent day. Yeah.
I don't remember the initial tasting. It's been so long.
A lot of fruit flavors. You're
Right.
right.
It's so fruity.
Yeah.
Pineapple, pear, orange.
Definitely still has a citrusy kind of vibe to it.
Yeah.
Limes maybe. That's kind of been overpowered by the grape, sulfur, rubbery kind of taste.
Yeah, it's not unpleasant by any means.
No.
Very different. And it's old. It's been what, 10 months?
Yeah. I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I liked it better. It's fresh out of the keg. It's just more like, I don't know, man. Ooh, shit. It was more approachable, if you will.
There you go. Yeah. I totally get it. And this was brewed March 6th. So this is old too.
This is old as well. It's got some age on it. This one I've noticed has like no head retention. It's definitely carbonated.
Yeah, 0.
The head like just dissipated immediately. Cheers. I like the smell of that.
It smells more sour than the other one.
Yeah, has like some like really rich cherry kind of, a really rich cherry kind of smells like it's been aged on wood even.
Yeah, I can see that. I think the lack of hops makes it a little weird.
Yeah.
Almost tastes like a slightly off cherry soda or something like that.
Yeah.
Like artificially flavored almost. That could be the extract.
No,
part.
it does, man. It really does.
This is probably just not balanced. Like there's no bitterness to offset. Yeah, it's just one note, and it's kind of a weird note.
Right.
Because I think in the initial tasting on that, we said it's not offensive. It's not great. It's nowhere near as good as obviously the first log beer. I would say it's not palatable at this point.
Not a fan.
No.
Yep, dumping that one back. That's what I was gonna do.
Maybe if it had some hops, a little bit of bitterness, it might have saved it. So we can dump that keg, which is good.
Yep.
I brewed it for an event, never brought the beer, and it's been sitting in a keg for 7 months. So.
Yeah, sweet plan.
You know, pretty much on top of this video.
I love it when a plan comes together.
The 7-month video.
It definitely has a really low key kind of sulfury vibe, very very slight, kind of citrusy.
Yeah.
Smell. Dude, it tastes really like thin and light. There's not really enough body there.
Like the initial mouthfeel feels rich, but then it fades really quickly. Get the log vibe.
Yeah.
For sure. I'm getting the same like white grape kind of stuff we got off the first. I mean, this is old too at this point.
Yeah, it's old.
This is using harvested yeast from the original yeast. So
Yeah.
basically, we made a starter, brought it up. I'd say the yeast. I mean, that character comes through.
Yeah.
So I would say, the yeast that we have saved, if we ever want to brew one of these again, we can easily repopulate that, and we're good to go. I don't even know how to describe. Definitely more citrusy than this.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't really like this one.
So you
It
lose.
kind of has like an unpleasant bitterness.
It does. I agree with that.
That's the thing that I'm not really liking.
At the very end.
Yeah, I just kind of assumed they would age well. And I'm going to have to say,
Drink them young.
in my book, number 1 is number 1.
And this is second, and then that's going down the drain. But, well, I would
Alright.
say brew it.
Yeah.
Brew it. Find a log and brew it.
Yeah, find a log and brew some shit.
Yeah. Cool,
Alright,
man.
cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. See ya.